Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This time I want to make a presentation video for the second practicum report of SQL programming lesson. So let me start it. So the first we open the XMPP, and then we run the XMPP and MySQL, and then open the command prompt. Now after that, we can create new database with the format like this. Format is Laporan2 underscore name. So this is mine that I've created like this. Create database Laporan2 underscore 20T4311171. Then use the database we just create before. After that, the next step is creating new table. The table name is pesanan with the attribute like this with ID pesanan, nama menu, kategori, tanggal pesan, jumlah item, harga satuan with the data type that pair with the field like ID with integer, nama pelanggan with varchar with in range 100 and etc. Apa the table we using query create table for making table for create table, and then the next step is fill the table pesanan. The command is to insert 20 data. So this is the data I fill in the table pesanan like this. For the example, the first is 1 iba tukam nasi goreng spesial makanan utama 2026 5 and 1 2 and 2500. So using insert into is we must call all the field, and then we must pair with the field. Like if there is in this there is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If there is 7 fields, so in the values we must input 7 field each of every data. So there is 20 of them, and then I want to add new field in the table pesanan with total harga field. I use the query alter table to alter table to table pesanan at total harga. Type data is decimal. Data type is decimal. It runs 12 and 2. So the next comment is fill total harga with automatic. So I use the update query in this comment. I use update pesanan, update table pesanan, set total harga. So the total harga will automatically filled by jumlah item times by harga satuan. So it will automatically fill the total harga field. So the next is sixth comment is to show the nama pelanggan with the format. Nama pelanggan is with all the nama pelanggan field is capital, and then with nama menu with small alphabet. So I use the upper and lower. Upper for nama pelanggan and lower for nama menu, like this. Select upper nama pelanggan S. So I will alias the nama pelanggan with the capital alphabet with nama pelanggan besar, and then lower nama menu as nama menu kecil. So I will alias, or I will create a new name for the field nama menu with small alphabet with nama menu kecil from table pesanan. So it will appear like this. Nama pelanggan besar, all the name of the pelanggan. It will change with the capital alphabet. And then for nama menu kecil, so all the menu, it will appear with the small alphabet. So in the next step is seventh comment step, it to count the character in field for nama menu for only for the menu that is minuman or drink. So I use select nama menu with and use length in this comment. Length, the function of length is to count the total of the sentence or the word. So I will use length nama menu as I will use again panjang karakter from pesanan where. So I will use where. So it will just category for the minuman or drink. So nama menu is teh manis. Teh manis with length or panjang karakter is 12 alphabet, and kopi susu with 9 alphabet. So the space between kopi and susu, it will also counted, like blank space it is all counted. So the next step is second comment, egg comment, it to count to sum all the all the mm, all the profit from the total harga. So I use sum in this comment. So I will just type like this, select sum from total harga as I will alias total the field with total pendapatan keseluruhan from table pesanan. So it will appear like this. Total pendapatan keseluruhan after sum all the harga in the table pesanan. So it the result is this. It 686,000 rupiah. And then next is the ninth, and the next comment is to count the average and the maximum price, the average price, maximum price, the most cheap price, and from the field harga satuan for each category menu, for each menu. So I will just type like this, select category menu. Nah, kategori menu is the field from the table pesanan. I will count the average, max, and min. So I will alias with rata-rata harga, max, I will alias with harga termahal, min, alias with harga termurah. From table pesanan group by kategori menu. So it will appear like this, the result. Kategori menu for the makanan utama with average is like this, the most expensive like this, and the most cheap like this. For the minuman like this, the average, the most expensive, most cheap, and the snack like this. Next is to count the total item that already ordered for each menu, and then I will sort it from the menu that mostly ordered. So I will just type like this, select nama menu, sum jumlah item as total unit pesan, from table pesanan group by nama menu, order by total unit pesan, and then descended. I will use DASG for the descended, so it will sort with the bigger to the shorter or the small. So it will the result it will be like this. Nama menu and total unit pesan. Nama menu air mineral, total unit pesan is 10 units. Nah, 10 until 1. So it will sort by mostly ordered and most often ordered. So the next comment is to show the category menu that have total harga more than, or the total price more than 150,000 rupiah. So I will just type like this, select category menu, sum total harga as akumulasi penjualan from pesanan group by kategori menu having sum total harga more than 150,000 rupiah. So it will appear like this. Kategori menu, makanan utama, minuman snack, akumulasi penjualan, or the total price that already ordered. It will be like this. Makanan utama with 318,000 rupiah and etc. Then I will delete the transaction data that already done before the date 10. So I will just type like this, delete from pesanan where day tanggal pesan is less than 10. So it will erase all the data from variable pesanan that tanggal pesan is less than 10. So this is the result. Before we have 20 data, and then we just have 20 minus 6. Oh, so we just have 14 data left like this. And then maybe that's all for me. Thank you.